Hourglass. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the time is here. It is finally time for the Sephora Spring Savings Event, VIB sale, whatever you want to call it. It is here. It comes really twice a year where they have these saving event sales. So it's time for the spring version. And as usual, I'm always excited to shop this sale. I don't go super crazy with what I buy during the sale, but I definitely love to splurge on a few items that I have my eye on. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my cart currently, in addition to some of my all-time favorites and recommendations as you decide to shop the sale as well. So you want to check out all these recommendations, tips, and tricks. Definitely keep on watching. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Your support means the world to me. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom. In my spare time, I love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling and luxury as well. Just kind of everything I enjoy doing and my hobbies that I have in my spare time. If those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button too. Alright guys, so if you are new here, you probably don't know, but I am just a normal, average, everyday working mom. I have 4 kids. I work full-time as an oncologist. So, I don't have a ton of spare time, but I really love talking about fashion, makeup, beauty, in addition to luxury items as well. So, that being said, it's kind of a disclaimer in the sense that I am definitely not a makeup or beauty guru by any means, as you can probably tell. I'm just an average working mom that just loves makeup. So I'm excited to share with you guys my picks for the sale. I always love shopping this sale as a little bit of an excuse to splurge on some items that I have my eye on. I will of course put down below in the description box all of the sales dates in case you want to reference them. And as you all probably know, this is a tiered system where depending on your insider status at Sephora, you get to shop the sale at different times and for different discount rates. So right now I just have a handful of things in my cart, and again, I try not to go too crazy with the sale, even though you do save a little bit of money. I mean, it's not like a ton of money. So there are sales throughout the year, either at Sephora or other places where you can buy these items as well. So I try to rein it in a little bit and just pick out a few items every sale period. But these are the ones I have in my cart, and at the end of the video I'll also include some of my honorable mentions or items that I probably won't pick up because I already have a ton of them, but ones that I think you should definitely check out if you haven't already. Alright, so first things first, I want to talk about the foundation that I'm going to almost for sure pick up in the sale. And this is the now famous Charlotte Tilbury new foundation. It's the Beautiful Skin Medium Coverage Liquid Foundation, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. This has been reviewed so many times here on YouTube and other places with really positive feedback. And this is really my style, kind of an amped up BB cream or CC cream. I love the IT Cosmetics version. In fact, I'm wearing it today. But I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury version. I really like the line. I have a lot of her other items, but I haven't added any type of foundation product yet from the line. So I think I just have to try it. It sounds like something that's perfect for my lifestyle. Right now I have the color Too Warm. I think maybe I need something a little bit darker, so we'll see. The version that I think I wanted, probably number 4 Warm, was sold out. So we'll see. I might just go with a slightly lighter shade, but I definitely am excited to try this out. I've heard such great things about it. So the next thing that I have in my cart here in terms of kind of the makeup realm is this Hourglass powder. So I've had Hourglass palettes before, they're ghost palettes for instance, but I haven't actually had a dedicated container of their translucent setting powder veil. So again, this has gotten so many good reviews and really is a staple, I think, in the line. I just haven't purchased an actual container of this before, although I've tried out the product and like it. So I think it's time. I love translucent setting powders. I use one every single day. I currently am still using my all-time favorite Laura Mercier, but this one I think is a classic and I have to try it out as well. So I'm gonna give this one a try. And then going along with skincare, so especially as we're heading into the warmer months, obviously you need a good sunscreen. And I've been teasing a sunscreen video or my top favorite sunscreen products for quite some time, and I'm kind of putting together a very detailed review of all the products that I love. This is probably going to be number one. So this is a Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I'm using this currently as well now. I absolutely love this product. I cannot say enough good things about it. I have the 1.7 ounce version, but I'm going to pick up this larger 2.5 ounce version when it's on sale. So this is amazing because it's a great primer as well, and that's the intention of it actually. It really is clear, so it doesn't leave any white cast. It goes on velvety smooth, and I really like it as a primer as well, so it kind of does double duty. So I put this on first on bare skin before I put on any other skin products during the day. The problem with sunscreen, of course, is they say it doesn't last too long. So I think they advertise, it lasts 40 minutes, but I don't reapply this during the day. If I'm out in the sun, I either apply kind of a sunscreen powder on top of my makeup, or I will also use some of these sunscreen sprays on my face. But this one I put on just as a base kind of primer in the morning before I put on my makeup. And I absolutely love it. It's SPF 40, which is amazing as well. So yes, stock up on this if you don't have it already. I think it's something to definitely check out. So the next item that is another staple of mine is this deodorant. I've been using only aluminum-free deodorants for the past couple of years or so, and this is actually probably my favorite. I also like the native line, but the Kapari one is just so smooth, applies so nicely. I think it works well. It has the coconut oil, which is what makes it apply so nicely, I think, and it's very moisturizing. So I really like to try to stock up on this. The sad thing is, of course, that I think a couple days ago, Sephora has this flash like 50% off sale periodically, and I did notice this had gone on sale, so it was half price. I did not get my act together enough to quickly purchase it, so of course now it's full price. So even though I'm going to buy it in this sale, I'm not going to save all that much money. It's kind of a bummer, but nonetheless, I'm going to get another one because I need to stock up. This is really my favorite deodorant, I would say. So I am excited to restock this. And then along kind of the skincare line, I want to check out these new hand sanitizers. So I think this is a new item that Sephora now is stocking, but the line is called Touchland, and it's a Power Mist Hydrating Hand Sanitizer. So I'm probably going to pick up a couple of scents. I have my eye on the Rainwater scent and the Applelicious. Those both smell really nice, according to reviews. And it's just this little compact, thin little hand sanitizer. It's probably totally overpriced for hand sanitizer, but I'm hoping I can use this in some of my mini bags. And they say it doesn't leak or anything like that. So yeah, I'm excited to try it out. Hand sanitizer now obviously is a must for everybody. Especially for me with 4 little kids, I'm going through tons of these things. So even though it's overpriced, anything that can make it kind of more fun, especially for kids, an apple scented hand sanitizer might be kind of fun for them. Supposedly this is also very hydrating and not drying. And that's my biggest pet peeve about most hand sanitizers, how dry they are in the skin. My hands are totally beat up from all the hand washing and sanitizing. So if this can still do the trick and not dry on my hands, I'm all about that. Plus, it'll fit in my mini bags. So I'm excited to try this line out. It got pretty good reviews, so I'm gonna add a couple of those to my cart. And then finally, let's see, for me, I have in my cart a couple of lip products. I always have to add some lip products. I shouldn't because I have a huge stockpile. This is really a problem, but it's always fun to try something new. So the first thing I'm going to try is this NARS Mini Afterglow Lip Balm Duo. This has been around for a bit. It's sold out with the last VIB sale, but now they restocked. I really like the mini versions. I've tried the larger versions, which I do like the formulation of. These kind of balm that with a little tint is really what I gravitate toward now, especially since I'm still wearing masks at work in the clinics and hospitals. We still wear masks, so it's nice to wear something with not a lot of color underneath, but still moisturizing. So I'm going to get these little mini versions to put in my coat pocket or in my mini bags. I will have to say this other lip product that I have in my cart is what I will coin my coronavirus or pandemic lip balm or lip product of choice. I absolutely burned through my whole container of my current one. So it's the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish Gloss. This is obviously a classic. It's been around for so many years. I currently have the color Alyssa, which is just kind of the white with glittery or shimmer in it. So it goes on really clear. But what I really loved about using this during the pandemic under my mask is, first of all, it doesn't have color, so it didn't transfer much onto the mask. But also, I really love that minty taste or scent to it. It just picks me up under my mask and feels nice. It feels refreshing, like you just brush your teeth kind of sense. So I really, really, really loved this product during the pandemic, and the pandemic is still going, so I need to restock. I like that color Alyssa, but they don't offer it at Sephora. So other classic color, which I think I've purchased before, is called White Russian. So this is a very, very sheer color. So I'm almost for sure going to purchase this. This also, you Sephora gurus out there will know, was recently on their 50% sale, which killed me. I should have stocked up. When I finally noticed it was on sale that day though, it had all sold out. So I think they restocked some more after that sellout sale. So I'm still going to purchase this. It's kind of a bummer I missed out on that 50% deal, but this is definitely worth the price. I used the entire container of this gloss, and I never go through entire containers of any lip product. So that definitely says something. All right, so those are the main items that I have in my cart that I'm probably going to pick up. And then I have a couple of recommendations for you for items that I think are perfect for this time of year. So the first is fragrance, and I tend to pick up one fragrance every single sale. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that this time just because I really haven't used my other ones that I picked up last year, honestly. But my favorites for this time of year in terms of just a fresh kind of outside, a little bit of floral type of scent would be, first of all, the Replica Beach Walk. So last year in my Sephora sale, I did pick up this version. I also picked up Sailing Day, but I really love Beach Walk. I think it's perfect if you're traveling. It just kind of takes you back to that beautiful kind of vacation that you enjoy so much. So it's perfect for this time of year. I really like the travel spray because it's a spray and not a roller ball. So it's really nice to travel with and to just kind of pop on when you're out and about. My other recommendation always, all time of year, is the Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Again, I think it's perfect when you want a little bit of a lighter fragrance, especially this time of year in particular, although I wear it year round. It's just perfect for the spring and summer months, and it's also perfect for the workplace because I can't wear heavy fragrances in my workplace. I like to pick fragrances like this where there's just a touch of fragrance, but it's just really a fresh scent. It's not really a true fragrance. So yes, this is my all-time favorite fragrance, so definitely check it out if you're looking for something kind of really fresh and something appropriate for really all occasions. And then the final set of recommendations, I would say, is in the candle category. And I tried out this candle last year. The line is called Over Rose. And I love burning candles. It just adds so much, I guess, ambiance or appeal to your home, and it just makes it feel like home. You know, I think we associate scents so much with experiences, and I want my home to be a great experience for people that come visit us, but also for my family. So I love burning candles. It just really adds a nice touch, I think. And these are just gorgeous. So I picked up this holographic version last year, which I totally love. So I may go back for another version. I really love this creamy, milky pink color as well. I'm not sure what scent I'm going to go for. If you guys tried these out and have recommendations, please let me know because I'm curious as to what I should try. But I really, really love the packaging. I mean, this is just gorgeous. So I would recommend these candles. I think they're a great pick. I also always love Nest candles. I often use this time of year the bamboo fragrance in addition to the reed diffuser. And always, you know, of course, Jo Malone candles are also really, really nice to check out on sale as well. All right, so there you have it. Those are my ultra top picks if you're shopping the Sephora spring event sale. If you have any amazing recommendations for me, please comment down below. I'm always looking to try new amazing products as well, but I'm so excited to give these a try, and as per usual, I will definitely do an unboxing haul once I get all these items shipped to me. I'm probably not going to do much shopping in the store still because I just love how it's amazing to get these products just shipped directly to your door. I save a lot of time and kind of pick out exactly what I want as well. So I'll share with you guys all the items as they come in to me, and I will do a little bit of a test as well when I finally get them home. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and excited to hopefully start traveling and get out there more in the spring and summer. Thanks so much for watching another video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!